Alright, so today we are converting moles to volume at STP. As you can see on the left side of the project, I have the diagram of how to convert everything we learned this week. Then in the middle is a picture of me standing on the survivor board, which I'm pretty sure you do not want to see. I just put that on the project for your own entertainment. And on the far right is a block of gas, or a mole, or 22.4 liters. Whatever the volume of 1.1 mole is. Anyway, project is created by me. Just let me give you time to give you a tour throughout the project. So the first step is we start with a mole, and no, not a gopher mole, like the one I put up here. I'm talking about the molecule, the mole, or whatever scientific thing I could come up with. So, as you can see, we have to start with a certain number of a mole in order to get what we want to get. Now that we have our mole to start our equation, we have to write it. But it's not as complex as you think. Don't go out of your mind to write something that you will probably not be getting until college or university at least. Just write 100 mole, leave the E out, then put hydrogen, the prefix 2 on the bottom. Don't say it's hydroxide or whatever oxygen it could be. So, yeah, I'm bad at this. So, after we get the first part of the equation, we move on to the next part. And first off, we use 22.4 liters as our conversion equation, well, our little converter as we call it. And we times the equation I gave you in the last slide, 1.00 mole hydrogen 2, times 22.4 L, which is liters, hydrogen 2 or whatever. And then we go from 1 mole, H2, we divide it, but we cross the mole out, and we cross the mole out before the multiplication sign. Hey, yeah, about the answer I just found out. The answer is 22.4 LH prefix 2, because we only times it by 1 mole. When you times it by 22.4 mole and divide it by 1, it's not really going to create anything if I did learn my stuff from math when I was younger. So that is all I've got to say to you on this. I'll make one more slide.